a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.
Good morning, good people. Today is Saturday. We are winding down from vacation. Just got home last night, or I should say yesterday evening, and I slept really good. No place like home, sleeping in your own bed, and I feel good. I slept in as long as I could. It is 8:55. I got up at 7, but I stayed in the bed and watched the news and caught up on some things here in Michigan, and that was just a part of my morning routine. When I get up, I'm going to have some coffee. I think I might have some cinnamon rolls I can make real quick, and then I'm going out to the store because I don't want to go out hungry. So I'm gonna do that in a Ninja. There go Miss Princess. Say hello. Hello. Nope. She's like, I didn't ask for this. I need to clean out this refrigerator. And I don't know. Let's hope we got some creamer. Just a little corner. A little corner for Buddy. He got more than me. I got enough, child. That's all I need. And I remember that here they are. Here they are. I am going to make these big house cinnamon rolls. Yes. All right.
Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left.
So I'm gonna make this coffee, and then let me put these rolls in. Let me get this stuff out my way.
Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap.
And I have another. So these are size mediums. These are size mediums. So let's open it up really so we can see more in depth. Gotta see what's really inside.
I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. With that, jump on jealousy, my boy. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, I'm and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics. Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. With that, jump on my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Catch a break, give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. You can catch a break, give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Catch a break, better way. Oh, way.